Hello everyone, welcome back to your class 2 science class. So this chapter seasons and clothing, here we discussed on seasons and we already discussed on summer seasons, rainy season and winter season. And today we will discuss about autumn and spring. Autumn and spring. We will discuss about this two seasons. So, in the months of October and November, the weather is neither too hot or not too cold. These things I told you previous day that we celebrated Durga Puja on autumn season, right? And you know this Durga Puja is held on October or November. So, that's autumn. So, in the months of October and November, the autumn season held, and this time there is neither too hot nor too cold. The trees shed their leaves. That time the trees shed, all leaves are shedding, and that time we cannot see the leaves, some of the trees. That is called the autumn season. And in the month of March and April, as just I told you yesterday that this winter season held from December to February. So after February it's March and it's time to ending of the winter season and beginning of the summer season. So this mid time is the spring time, March and April. This both month is be held on the spring season. The weather is again neither too hot nor too cold. I told it previous class. Hope you remember that I told it that time weather is so comfortable and we enjoy this weather because that time neither too hot and not too cold. That time flowers bloom and the trees have the new leaves during this time. So in the autumn season the trees shed their leaves, but in the spring time trees have the new leaves. That time trees have new leaves. This is called the spring season. So that is the difference between autumn and spring. That time the trees shed their leaves, and in the spring time trees have new leaves. Okay, so and both the time neither too hot and not too cold, and the autumn is held on October and November and the spring is held on March and April. Okay, so that is about autumn and spring season. And the previous day we already discussed about summer season, rainy season, winter season. Hope you all remembered this. If you have any kind of problem you can ask me on your next online class. Okay everyone, so that's all for today. Have a nice day and bye.